Hey guys, welcome to Terrisa's world. This is Terrisa and this is Tinky. Welcome to the DIY fashion design and also fashion styling club. Well, one thing I want to say first is that I am not a guru or an expert. In fact, I only started pattern making and sewing during the pandemic. But you know what? Nothing can stop my passion for fashion, style, and for design. I am a passionate person in general, and also I have my passion for... Whoop, let's get back to fashion and style here. So, as for today, I want to share with you guys this pencil skirt I made. I don't know how you guys feel about pencil skirt. I personally think it's one of the most chic and timeless pieces of all the time. I mean, you can literally do so many things with pencil skirt. You can dress it up and dress it down, dress it classy and chic, or dress it funky and badass. It's all up to you. The skirt I made is like a midi-length one. I intentionally chose a mixed color fabric with a funky artsy look because mostly on the market is all the pencil skirts. They have like similar looks and also the colors pretty basic and similar as well. I just want to challenge you a bit. I just want to say if this kind of funky, bright, bold color can also work well with pencil skirt. It turns out to be pretty good. Now, let me show you how I made the skirt and also how I styled it in different ways for different looks. So first, I sketch out the desired look of the pencil skirt, which has a slit in the front side and also a zipper at the back. I decided to use a basic pencil skirt pattern as my design foundation, and I added about 2 inches for my desired length. In order to make the front slit, I cut through the middle of the front dart all the way till the end. I also marked the starting point of the slit. I sewed together the front pieces first and left the slit part open. Then I sewed the back darts and sewed the back pieces together. I left the zipper part open. Then I sewed the back sides and the front sides together. I added the zipper. I also added 1 1/4 weight waistband. Make sure to interface it. The last step is to add a hook to the waistband, which I hand sewed it on. And then it's down.